Hello, it's Tukur Hamid. Welcome back to Schoolchat Academy. Today, we're gonna look at relative pronouns. So first set, let's get in. Some common mistakes. The girl which I met was intelligent. Which girl did you call? We're going to check the correctness of these sentences at the end of the class. Okay, let's now revise what relative pronouns are. Relative pronouns introduce relative clauses. They are who, which, and that. Let's check them out one after the other. Who is used to qualify persons only. Examples: the boy who I told you about is here. The man who defied the warning was arrested. Which is used to qualify animals and things only. Examples: the book which I read was interesting. The cat which drank the milk was poisoned. Here we use which to qualify the book, which is a thing, and we use which to qualify the cat, which is an animal. That is used to qualify both living and non-living things. Examples: the boy that I told you about is here. The man that defied the warning was arrested. The book that I read was interesting. The cat that drank the milk was poisoned. Here we use that to qualify both humans and non-humans. Added knowledge. When which is used as a relative pronoun, only non-humans can be used along with it. Example: the car which I bought recently was Toyota Camry. When which is used as an interrogative pronoun, both humans and non-humans can be used with it. Example: which car did you buy recently? Which boy did you send away? Okay, let's now check the correctness of our common utterances. The girl which I met was intelligent. This is wrong, because here which is used as a relative pronoun, and as such, it can't qualify a human being. Which girl did you call? Here which is used as an interrogative pronoun, and it is correct to ask about a human being. This is right. Okay, we've come to the end of this lesson today. You can learn more about pronouns at schoolchatacademy.com. Hope to see you in the next class. Thank you.